Have you ever wondered how to make your nails pop with vibrant, festive colors? Stick around because I've got something amazing to show you today. Hey nail art enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shelby, and today we have an exciting unboxing from Born Pretty. We'll be unboxing the 6-piece 7 ml Amber Glow Jelly Gel Nail Polish collection from Born Pretty. And I've got a fun St. Patrick's Day nail design planned for you. Plus, there's a 25% statewide sale with the code WD25, so stick around for all the details. First things first, let's dive into this PR package and see what Born Pretty has sent us. They kindly sent over this collection and I want to thank them for it and apologize for the delay in getting this review out to you all. Let's see what's inside. Let's start by unboxing these beauties and swatching each color. We have Christmas, a deep and festive red, brown, a rich and warm hue, red, a vibrant classic, orange, a bright and cheerful shade, green, a stunning and playful color, and blue, a calming and serene tone. I'll apply each shade to a nail tip so you can see their true beauty. The polishes have a smooth and even application, great pigmentation, and a unique jelly texture. Let's swatch each color to see how they look on the nails. I'll apply each shade to a nail tip so you can get a better idea of their true beauty. As you can see, the colors are absolutely stunning and have a beautiful glossy finish. They're perfect for creating various nail art designs. For today's tutorial, I faced the challenge of deciding what type of St. Patrick's Day nail design to create using these colors. I'll be using these shades to create a festive and unique St. Patrick's Day themed nail design. I'll also be using the Born Pretty tips to showcase the versatility of this collection. Now comes the exciting part. Let's create our St. Patrick's Day nail design using the Born Pretty Amber Glow Jelly Gel Nail Polish collection. I've decided to use the green polish as the base color to keep it festive. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this St. Patrick's Day inspired nail art tutorial. And there you have it, a fun and festive St. Patrick's Day nail design using the Born Pretty Amber Glow Jelly Gel Nail Polish Collection. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found some inspiration for your own nail designs. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite St. Patrick's Day nail designs and what colors you'll be using. Your ideas and creativity inspire me, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and tutorial, and a big thank you again to Born Pretty for sending me this amazing collection. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fabulous!